Once you are in TWRP, you check this never show the screen on the boot, and then swipe, and then you go to the backup, and then select storage, and make sure you choose your SD card and click OK, and then you choose these partitions: vendor, system, ODM, and then boot and data. In total 5 of them: boot, data, ODM, system, and vendor. And then you select to do the backup. Since you have SD card, make sure your SD card is NTFS formatted, otherwise it will not work. You can format your SD card on Windows running laptop or PC. Once you do that, then you put that SD card on your cell phone and then go to the backup and do the backup that way. So I'm just gonna, you have to choose those 5. I'm not gonna do the backup for all of them because it will take forever time. So I'm just gonna back up one for example. So I'm just gonna swipe to backup, and it's gonna run the backup, and you say backup is complete. You can reboot and done with it. But same way, once you do the backup, the same way you can restore the backup. So let's say when you come to the TWRP home screen, now click on Restore tab, and then click on the select storage, and then click micro SD, and then you will see the folder. Then you click on select storage, like here, micro SD, and then you see let me do it. Click on the restore, and then click on select storage, go to the micro USB, the same micro USB card, the one you just did the backup with. If you don't change anything, it will show up here, and then it will say boot. Since I already backup, boot partition is only showing me boot. But if I had backup 4 other partitions, then it will show 5 of them listed here, and then I will just swipe to restore. And once I do, it will ask me to reboot the system, and I will reboot, and that's how you do the backup and restore. You don't do anything extra. Just go to the backup, select storage, micro SD card, then you choose these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 partitions, and you do the backup. Once it's done, you reboot and use it. If you want to restore, you go to the TWRP. Again, homepage, click on restore, click on select storage, and then you go to the backup you have, and you click on it. Since on your case you had 5 partition listed, you make those should be there automatically. You just do the backup. Once it's done, you restart your cell phone and you're good to go. Thanks for watching.